Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Postman and signing into your workspace. Make sure the collection you want to share is complete. Once logged in, locate the collection in the left sidebar and verify requests, tests, and examples are included. Also, check that any environment variables are current. This prevents downstream confusion. If you need to, run the main requests to confirm responses. After that, you're ready to initiate the share flow from the collection menu. Next, open the collection menu and select Share or Publish Collection. This is where you control access. Choose to add teammates directly, share into a workspace, generate a public or private link, or export as a JSON file. Each option serves different audiences. Carefully set permissions so recipients can only view, run, fork, or edit as needed. If you include environments, attach them too. Once configured, preview the recipient view to confirm everything will appear as intended. Finally, deliver the collection by sending the generated link, inviting team members, or sharing to the target workspace. Then ask recipients to confirm they can access and run key requests. Make sure you attach environment files and add short usage notes. This reduces questions. If someone reports problems, first verify their workspace permissions and that they imported any environments. As a troubleshooting tip, if requests fail, check for missing variables or cores, and confirm base URLs and auth.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.